Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and this today's video I'll be showing you how you can hide certain applications on your Android phone. Alright guys, here I have opened my Android phone, and for example, I'm going to hide this application. I'm going to hide InShot application on my phone, and then the first thing we have to do is clicking on the settings application, and then you're going to scroll down until you find the home screen setting. So this is the home screen setting. You have to tap on it, and then we have to wait guys. Okay, and if you want to hide your application, you can click on hide apps right here, and then just select the application that you want to hide. And since I'm going to hide the InShot, I'm going to tap on InShot. But if you want to hide another application, you can simply tap on the circle. And then I'm going to hide this application as well. Okay, and after that, we just need to click on done right here, and then the application will be hidden from our home screen. So let's just check it. Okay, and as you can see that there's no InShot application or map marker application on this home screen. Alright guys, and that's how we can hide certain applications on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next tutorial.